Hello, my name is Anthony and welcome to the channel. This is just going to be a short how-to video on how to reset the oil service life on a 2018 Ford Edge. We're located inside the vehicle and we've got the key inside the vehicle. First thing you're going to do is push the start-stop button one time. This will power on the vehicle, and then using the OK button you will clear through the messages, and then using the pad on the left hand of the steering wheel you will go through the menus until you find yourself at the main menu where it has display, trip, fuel economy, and you'll scroll all the way down to settings and hit OK. Then go to vehicle, OK, and then OK on oil life reset, and then simply push and hold OK, and then it'll reset to 100%. And that's it. This procedure can be done with the vehicle both running, as in the engine running, or not running and just powered on. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.